Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the fuse block in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Unthread the 5 screws securing the control board access cover using the Phillips head screwdriver. Set the cover aside. Depress the left side tab to release the fuse block. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect the wire connectors to fully remove the old component. To install the new fuse block, connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the board. Then align and snap the board into place. Replace the access cover and thread the screws to secure. The lower left screw secures the power cord to the cover. The smaller fine threaded screw secures the cover to the grounding block. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.